What's up YouTube? On today's video we're going to be swapping out the chain and sprockets on this 26 Honda Grom. We got a set of SuperLite chain and sprockets, OEM rear sprocket tooth size, and for the front we dropped it down to a 14. So OEM size on the rear, dropped a tooth on the front, and then I got a really cool DID ER chain. This whole kit is from SuperLite Sprockets. I know the owner over there, his name's Brian. He's a really good dude, and I'm super stoked for this thing. So let's get into it. All right. All right guys, so what I'm gonna do now is pull the rear wheel off, get this chain off, get the front sprocket off. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna record it and kind of speed it up so you can see that process. And we're gonna get this new chain and sprocket kit on. All right guys, when you have this installed, you need to make sure these are at the right torque spec. Now you are gonna fight this thing with this cush drive that's in here. I'm actually gonna bump these. Just feels way too loose. I mean, coming off, these things are on there like a... All right, an easy way to tell how much chain you're gonna need. You can lay it on the floor, but I don't like putting a brand new chain on the floor. And that is a smidge shorter. No, it's not. Fell. Boom. We're good. All right, so I got the axle back in, and when I first started doing this, I had these spacers in incorrectly. I had them flip-flopped. I struggled with this for like an hour. I don't know how I mixed them up, but I did. Turns out you put the spacers in the right way, the axle goes straight in. So this spacer on the caliper side has the smaller groove, and then the one on the sprocket side has the two big grooves. So it's got this small little machine surface, and then it's got two of the same size over here. Now we're gonna get our chain installed and get this thing ready. All right, so I got my chain installed for the most part. If you put a mallet or something in there, it'll help the wheel from turning. Now this should be the correct size length chain. I measured them before. I don't know if I got that on video or not, but this part needs to go with the direction of travel. So not like this. So you'll install this to the front of the machine. All right, I got the circlip installed. I don't think I got it on film. This is a little like circlip tool that you can use. Honestly, I tried it, didn't work all that well. I just used a flathead and I just popped it back on. So now we got to get the front sprocket on. These guys tight. We're going to be putting Loctite on these bolts. All right, so I got the bolts into the front sprocket. This clip lives in this little groove. This sprocket does not go all the way back. And then these bolts suck it up against it. I was fighting for this with a little while because I thought these were gonna have to line up and it sits to the back part of the motor. It does not. Kind of floats there and then these suck it together. So now all we got to do is set chain tension, make sure that, you know, the chain is actually the correct length, even though we already measured it. So let's get that set up, torque these back, get everything back to torque spec, and then we're going to go rip this thing.